So we are going to see the Museum of Old Maharaja of Kangra. So Kangra is very famous for its painting. In the old times they use gold paintings, silver paintings and other natural colors to make the paintings.
Okay.
The Kotoch dynasty. It is the oldest live dynasty which is still going on.
Still going on.
It is Asia's #1 museum.
Wow.
Trigger, Kangra के नरेश, Kangra is called as Trigger. This is the family tree. First emperor Bhumi Chandra Katoch fought when India Pakistan were together.
Yes.
Now they are the
By the
four countries. Multan fort, which is located in his name. His throne. When he used to sit there, his sponsors, sons, they used to sit on the long chair, ministers on the side. This Susharma Chandra Katoch to 1500 BC fought against Arjun in Mahabharata. And this Kangra fort, it is built by this Alexander, known as Sikandar. This Udevan Chandra Katoch 280 BC fought against Ashoka but lost Multan, which is located in Pakistan. This figure comes to 490. 490 is Tikka Ambekeshwar Dev Chandra Katoch, youngest one. Sansar Chandra Katoch 1775 AD, golden age of Kangra. Kangra's maximum development is made during this period. Maharaja Drupdev Chandra Katoch, he was the supreme king during 1947 when India got independence. There is one vintage car, Morris 8 British model, 1927 model, parked in that cage, belonged to this emperor. He handed over the Kangra fort to the Indian government after the Indian government is formed after the India's independence.
Maharajis.
Yeah, royal family.
Yeah. This is Persian
carpet.
we say, what we say?
Raja Hari Singh of
Hey, कुड़िए,
during
तू मेरे नाल आ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਉਹ ਐਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਨਾ
Kotoch dynasty.
This is a special thing about Kangra. It's a world famous thing. ਭਾਜੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਂਗੜਾ ਪੇਂਟਿੰਗ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ the color were original colors.
Only books manuscripted in Devanagari language. That is the first painting, biggest one and priceless. These are Kangra paintings.
Yeah, all the color were natural colors. There were no colors at that time. And it's world famous Kangra paintings.
How old is this?
Painting.
Jet and raw crystallite.
Okay. Bas, he has gone. So all these Kangra paintings is very famous.
Maharaja Sansar Chand's time.
1775.
1775.
Right. BC?
AD.
This is called as Baghi during Baghi in local language. When the queen goes between the college, it is kept on elephant's back and she used to sit here. She used to sit here. That is of emperor. Album, horoscopes and currency used during the various time.
This is also original है note
Original
stamps है. All the clothes being worn by Maharaja. Is this insignia? Insignia of the
Table mat.
Table
It is
mat.
of golden embroidery.
with gold.
Plate and walls.
Used for plates and bowls.
Yeah.
महारानी के कपड़े.
Plate, bowls. Gold and silver embroidery sarees.
And how do you use it like this?
It is a simple sari, but it is of gold and silver embroidery.
Today.
Present current family under this umbrella. It is present emperor, his wife,
Okay.
her mother-in-law and father-in-law, her son who got married in the last year in the month of March.
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਗੇ.
Is the child's coat, small kids coat. These items are of silver.
Wow.
These belongs to Maharaja Sansar Chandra.
Are the families still very wealthy? Are they still very...
Well, बहुत पैसा है हजे भी.
Yeah, that's a royal family.
It's their private. It's their private.
Lot of money.
Private museum. It's not government museum.
Private.
Yeah.
Present queen, her mother-in-law, Chandres Kutoj. Can you see?
Weaponry.
These old weapons, guns, and swords also used by different emperors. This is Battle of Kangra Hills 1337. Prithvi Chand Kutoj. Presented by its cover is of silver. These are models.
Just the models, not original.
No, original.
This is old torch, Mike.
His sword and ring. This is swords of honor given to the Maharaja Jayachandra Kutoj during World War I. It is mentioned here when he was Lieutenant Colonel. It's mentioned here, but you have to read like this.
Okay.
Handles of ivory. ये पूजा की सामग्री है.
ਇਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਰਾ 골ਡ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ.
Lady है ना.
골ਡ ਦੀ.
हाँ जी. In 1905, there was 7.9 Richter scale earthquake. So this Kangra fort was ruined at that time. Approx 20,000 casualties were reported from Kangra during that earthquake. And these are ghosts from the Kangra fort.
ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਕੱਚਾ ਭਾਜੀ?
पहले का ये सब 70वीं का भी हो सकता है, 18वीं शताब्दी का, क्योंकि 16 से स्टार्ट. These are the utensils for 400-500 people, more than that.
Is that brass? Looks like brass.
Brass, yeah.
Brass.
And copper.
Brass and copper, yeah.
Some dal,
Dal, right? Big dolls. Yeah.
sabji, and sweet rice, like this. 1905, residential area, offices, and the place where the Supreme King sits. But during 1905, it destroyed, and now it is ruined fort.
Right.
There was heavy destructions of life. Nearby Dharamsala, Kotwali Bazaar, McLeodganj, like this. It is also
You see its rivets, you know.
Colonel during British time, World War I.
Well, right.
St. John's Church before and after.
The earthquake.
Maharaja's residency at Naddi.
After the
Previously, the roofs of the houses were not like this.
Slates.
Only it is called slates,
slates, slates.
which are used to cover the house. Temple, Kangra temple, Burjeshwari temple, before and after.
Gold and silver colors. Original gold.
It's the glass paintings.
Oh wow.
How much old?
It's of 17
17.
century.
Are you sure?
Yeah. These are old one.
You see the colors, not all natural colors.
Wow. Wow, that's amazing.
These are the people whose daughters were married to the king of this location. Okay, sir, आपका time.
नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं। चलो भी ये कांगड़े के लिए तो वापस जा रहे हैं ਅਸੀਂ कांगड़ा म्यूजियम तो कम गाइस आ दे सी द हिमालयन द राइज ऑफ हिमालय ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਹੈ ਐ ਟੇਢੀ ਉੱਠੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਐ ਇਹ ਟੇਢੀ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਦ ਹਿਮਾਲय ਦ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਪੈਨੀਸੂਲਾ strikes with the Asian peninsula. So both of them they strike together and the land was up like this. You see the land? Because both the plates they crash together. So that's why Himalaya is rising every year. Yeah. So this is Kangra Museum.